journey begins in sun-drenched orchards, where skilled hands carefully harvest nature's ruby jewels. Skilled hands meticulously harvest, preserving the fruit's pristine quality. Freshly harvested pomegranates begin their journey to the state-of-the-art processing facility. Harvested pomegranates arrive, ready for their journey to become delicious products. A river of crimson fruit now begins its journey through the processing plant. From the receiving bay, quality pomegranates are channeled into the heart of the factory. Pomegranates begin their cleansing journey, prepared for perfection. Every surface is meticulously cleansed, ensuring purity and quality. Skilled American workers diligently monitor each stage of production. The outer rind is now pristine, ready for the next processing step. Skilled hands meticulously examine each fruit, ensuring only the finest pomegranates proceed. Precision and dedication define every step of our quality control process. Our American team's commitment ensures only the highest quality fruit is selected. Every pomegranate passes through rigorous inspection, guaranteeing perfection. Precision begins as pomegranates enter the automated scoring station. Computer-controlled mechanisms ensure each fruit is perfectly positioned for scoring. Exact cuts at the crown and equator prepare each pomegranate for easy opening. The meticulous scoring ensures optimal processing without damaging the precious arils inside. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Precision machinery gently flexes the fruit, unveiling the hidden treasures within. The machine expertly separates arils from rind, maximizing yield. Each precious aril maintaining its natural integrity. Precision sieving ensures only the purest arrows proceed. Skilled American workers meticulously monitor every stage. Advanced machinery ensures consistent, high-quality arrow extraction. Quality control is a continuous, hands-on effort. Every arrow is handled with care, preserving its pristine quality. Our commitment to excellence shines in every ruby arrow. On the final inspection line, skilled hands ensure every ruby arrow meets our stringent quality standards. Every single arrow receives individual attention, guaranteeing unmatched quality for our consumers. This dedication to purity defines the exceptional quality of our pomegranate products. Our workers are artisans of purity, meticulously refining nature's bounty. Every single arrow is a testament to our commitment to excellence. Our dedicated team ensures every arrow is a perfect reflection of nature's best. Our final inspection is the ultimate guarantee of product perfection. From belt to bottle, every step ensures uncompromised quality. The automated filler wheel precisely measures and dispenses the ruby red arrows into each waiting can. Skilled operators meticulously monitor the canning process, ensuring every can meets our stringent quality standards. Automation ensures each can receive the perfect quantity, maintaining product integrity and consistency. Our expert team ensures every machine operates flawlessly, guaranteeing consistent product quality. With precision and care, our pomegranates are prepared for their journey to homes worldwide. Precision is key as filled cans of pomegranate arrows move towards the syrup station. The cans, now filled with sweet syrup and arrows, advance towards the sealing process. The capped cans enter the sealing machine, ensuring freshness and quality. The meticulously separated arrows are now ready for the cold press, ensuring peak freshness and flavor. The cold press applies immense pressure, carefully extracting the precious, deep crimson juice. Each drop of juice captures the essence of the finest pomegranates. Skilled workers meticulously monitor every stage, ensuring consistent quality and purity. The freshly pressed, rich pomegranate juice is collected, awaiting its next transformation. Pure pomegranate juice begins its journey to the blending vat, ready for transformation. Carefully measured, natural ingredients are added, enhancing the smoothie's flavor profile. The smoothie achieves its ideal consistency, a vibrant, homogeneous blend of natural flavors. Final quality checks ensure every batch meets the highest standards before packaging. Precision filling ensures every bottle meets our stringent quality standards. Advanced technology ensures every bottle is securely sealed for freshness. Each bottle is then meticulously labeled, ready for its journey to consumers. Precision labeling ensures every product reflects the quality within, a testament to meticulous American craftsmanship. Parallel production lines ensure both canned and bottled pomegranate products are branded with meticulous care. The packaging line operates with impressive speed, ensuring every product is perfectly labeled and ready. Expert eyes ensure every bottle of pomegranate smoothie meets stringent quality standards. Automated precision ensures every pomegranate product is perfectly positioned for packaging. Layers of quality products are meticulously placed, completing each case with efficiency. Once full, each pallet is prepared for transport, guaranteeing safe delivery. With precision, the finished products are carefully prepared for their journey, ensuring quality reaches every destination. Through meticulously organized aisles, the forklift transports the carefully packaged goods. Safely stored, these premium pomegranate products are ready to nourish consumers worldwide.